Little display there. As you can see, hidden in the back of the display, we have a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. But the strange thing is, when we go to the portrait mode, it drops down to 5 megapixels. It looks absolutely terrible. These photos look absolutely terrible, guys. I've never seen a selfie cam do so poorly. This is TechNeck recording a 1080p 30 FPS selfie video on the ZTE Axon 25G, the world's first under-display selfie camera on a smartphone. Doesn't look too bad. There is no beauty mode on, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know about the audio and video quality using the selfie cam on the ZTE Axon 20. On the back of the Axon 25G, we have a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor as the main shooter, an ultra-wide 8 megapixel snapper, a